In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Base44 to GitHub. We'll walk through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for, so you can get your integration set up smoothly. First, open Base44 in your browser and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside the app, look towards the lower left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your initials, a small avatar, or a simple user icon. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open the user menu. When that menu opens, look for the option labeled Account Settings. This is where Base44 keeps all the controls related to your workspace, billing, and integrations. Click Account Settings to move into the main settings area. If you don't see it right away, make sure you've clicked the correct profile icon and that the menu is fully expanded. Inside Account Settings, you'll need to make sure your plan supports GitHub integration. In many cases, connecting external tools like GitHub is only available on a paid or upgraded plan. Look for the section that shows your current subscription or plan details. Here, you should see an option to upgrade your plan. Click the upgrade button or link shown on your screen. At this point, Base44 will guide you through the upgrade process. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. These prompts may include choosing a plan tier, confirming the number of users or seats, and entering your payment details. Take a moment to review the plan features and pricing to ensure it fits your needs, especially if you're setting this up for a team or an organization. Once you've confirmed the upgrade, Base44 will process your changes. This can take a few moments. After the upgrade is complete, you should have access to additional options in your account settings, including integrations like GitHub. The interface might refresh or show a confirmation message. From here, continue following the on-screen guidance in Base44. The platform will typically present you with buttons or links to connect GitHub, authorize access, and choose which repositories to link. Simply proceed step by step as prompted, making sure you grant the appropriate permissions when GitHub asks for authorization. And that's the overall process for preparing your Base44 account so you can connect it to GitHub and start using the integration effectively.